Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online learning children. Today we are going to see 6th standard subject science. Topic is measurement and motion. In this chapter we are going to learn about measurement and different types of motion. Let us start our section measurement and motion. In this lesson, introduction, modes of transport, types of modes of transport and measurement, non-standard units, standard units and SI units. These are the various topics we are going to see in this session. The first one is modes of transport. Say in olden days, the people move from one place to another place by walking, and it takes so much of time to reach the particular place. When they started invention of after wheel, it is very fast to move one place to another place. Then the people started to using animals such as horse, bullock, camel, and nowadays petrol engine and even rocket. So modes of transport by walking, and then started invention of wheel, and after the wheel it nowadays we arrange very fast to move one place to another place, and we'll choose the vehicle to go by the distance, between the distance whether we can go by a vehicle, we are going to choose. And there are three types of transport: land ways and waterways, airways. So in landways we know many vehicles can move: four wheelers and two wheelers, bus, van, taxi, car, all. And next, waterways, a small boat to ship we can see in the waterways. And airways, jet, aeroplane, then air India, all the vehicles can move by air. The next topic we are going to see about measurement. How to measure a particular thing. The process of finding the length, size or quantity of a substance is called measurement. Comparing unknown to known. A standard fixed quantity used to represent measurement is called unit. For example, when anybody asks you what is your height, we'll say 152 centimeter. So 152 is a number and centimeter represent unit. It is a fixed quantity to represent the measurement. It is called unit. And the measurement is a process of finding the length, size or quantity of a substance is called measurement. And this is a very important 2 mark question. You have to make a note that various different tools we can use for the measurement: tape, then ruler, measuring tape, compass, then for liquid item, cup, jar, and we can use a different tools for the measuring things. Now, next topic, non-standard unit, non-standard measurement. Before, the people use their body part to measure the particular object. For example, hand span. This is the distance between the thumb finger to a little finger. And this is the hand span. And cubit. It is the distance between elbow and the middle finger, and this is known as cubit. And space, arm span. It is the distance between the one arm to other last finger. So this is the non-standard unit. When you use this non-standard units, it is vary from person to person. For example, if I measure, I'll get the different value, and if other person measure, they'll get the different value. So it is a, it's not standard unit, it is a non-standard unit. For example, if I measure a table, if I get 6 meter, the same table if I measure with the cubed or handspan, other person if measure, they will get a different value. So it is not a fixed value in non-standard measurement. So they can, these are the non-standard measurement and standard measurement. Ruler, tape, screw gauge, vernier, caliper. Basic of measurements. Now we can move on. Standard measurement, standard units. What is standard unit? Standard units are those units that have a fixed value. For example, if I measure a table length with a scale, if I getting 15 meter, the same 15 meter, if anybody measures, they'll get. So that is known as standard unit. It do not vary from person to person or a place to place. Standard unit for length is centimeter, inch is the smallest unit, meter, kilometer, and mile is the largest unit. And these are the standard units. It does not vary from person to person or place to place. So the standard unit also will vary from country to country. They will use the different language, and we will use the different terms for the units. So they have came to the conclusion of SI unit. People of different countries may using a different set of standard units of measurement. For uniformity, scientists all over the world have adopted a common set of units called that SI unit. SI stands for System International Unit. So SI means System International. So this is the SI unit. Some basic tools in SI units we can see now. Quantity measured by physical mass. For example, vegetables, fruits. When we go for the shop, we'll buy and we say half kg, 1 kg, like that. So it is a kilogram, and the symbol is kg. Length, it is a meter. Symbol is m. Temperature, Kelvin, or we can say degree Celsius. Amount of substance, mole, mol. Electric current, ampere. A. Time, second. Yes. Luminous density, candela. C. D. So these are the very important basic, very important basic unit of measurement. Let us start, children. I'm going to give a small homework for you. Take a object, for example, sharpener, and you have to find out the length. Table, school desk or table. You can use your table and see the height and width, and chair, how much height is there, pencil, how long, how much centimeter is there, and book, laptop, and scissor, and waste paper thin. And these are the things we are using at home also. So you can see this and measure the length and make a note. And here is the estimate and acute length. So estimate. Suppose, for example, if you take a pencil, I can say it is a 5 centimeter. That is the estimate. And after measurement, you have to write here how much centimeter. That is acute length. So we have to see this all object and start estimate and acute the value of length in this column. Are you clear? So in this chapter we have learned about modes of transport, how they invented, and different ways of transport, land ways and waterways. Waterways and airways, and measurement. What is measurement? How to measure a thing, and what are the measurement tools and non-standard units. We are using a body part for the non-standard unit, and basic measurement tools. Standard unit. What is a standard unit? How it is fixed, and it does not vary from person to person. And SI unit. So it are adopted all over the world. And some basic SI units we saw here. Then this is the homework for you and how to do. You can see for the next class. Thank you, children.